Hello friends, how are you today? Are you ready to learn a new lecture? Let's begin. Oh, which letter is this? It's F. Can you say it with me? F. And F sound is F. F. Let's learn some words that start with F. F for fish, F for fish. F for fire, F for fire. F for fan, F for fan. Wow, F for flower, F for flower. F for fox, F for fox. F for frog, F for frog. Bye bye students, see you next lecture.